Well, it's been long overdue, but we're finally doing a scrap run. One of the guys in another garage here has kindly donated us his trailer. So we've filled it with scrap to get rid of that and tidy the place up. Then we can get a skip in and get rid of the rest of the rubbish that's in the corner, which is nice. So, handy Cavalier tow bar that I fitted in 2016. So we've got an engine block to go into it, so I'll just go and back this up to the garage and then we'll start tidying up. Glove on. I was waiting that. I get it over there. Hey! Master plan. Because the unit's a bit of a mess, we need to move cars about to make better use of the space. So that Astra needs to go where that Nova is, and the Nova needs to go there. But there's a whole load of other crap in the way, and there's crap lying outside here as well. We just loaded the car up with the scrap to get rid of that. But somebody's also left a massive Jaguar in the way at the front. Aye, so all this stuff here, we need to tidy that up a bit. Those tyres can go in that rack up there. Aye, that'll do for a start. Listen, that's got rubbish. That's alright then, that can go. GSi grill can go. Just for the record, that's all the panels and stuff. The Kenzo's cut out that. Let's put that on it. It's got an inner wheel arch, stroke shoe filter on it now, filler rather. Yes. And it needs a back quarter putting on it, but they're quite expensive, so aye. Well, let's see if we can shove this out and swap it round, but we'll need to clear all the space up the back there to do it. Right back so the Nova can come out the gap to there, right, and then that can go forward again and then over into there without having to shove everything right outside. See what I mean? So this just needs to go backwards. Right, it's got steering on it. Do that first time. Hey, second time. Right. So this is actually quite a big deal because this Nova got shoved in that corner when we moved in here in 2015 and it's been there ever since. So we're going to move it now out there a bit, then move the Astra, put the Astra in there, and the Nova can go there, so we can put an engine in it. tyres are pumped up on that.
Like that.
You know,
Quick ones, quick flat and black.
we probably bounce it as well. No, put some air in the tyres. They've done alright considering it's been sat there for that long.
2012 I'll put this car.
Right on schedule for getting something done to it then.
Yeah, that's the here long enough.
Can't I working out if there's a steering wheel in it or not? That should be.
Got that.
Right, yeah. Not that we exactly need it. Oh, look at that. I wonder what's actually lying underneath it.
Right.
What is that car? What is lying underneath it?
Yeah, the piano pedal.
Engine trolley. Engine trolley's lying underneath it. It's still not quite going to have enough on it to get it round there.
Did it?
Right, so this comes across here, then
You can shove that right at this.
here. Right, go for it. Oh, that's really weird. There's a space there. Not for long, but still, for the moment. That's where the petrol cans are then as well. I can't find a petrol can. Accessible. To find a better place for them. Random carpets. What are they out of? I'm not sure. There's a few set of them anyway under the wood carpet. Right. Maybe we'll divide it up so they're on one bit. They're definitely Nova.
That's a tank for the Nova. The rear bits out.
That can go. I'm sure if you're because all this, the further we can get into that corner, the better. So here's an insight as to how much random stuff's in here. They're Nova door handles, aye?
Yes.
That's a Cavalier door handle. That's 4.8mm hose. That's a knackered donut washer for a roller. Cavalier indicator, that's useful. There's a Nova fuse box cover. There's Mark 2 Cavalier actually. Again, there's another door handle. There's a plastic bit behind the fuel tank. What else is there? They would have been off my Cavalier CD because they don't have the curb lights in them because I swapped the door cards for the CD. Probably absolutely no use to anybody. Set of extra xenon headlights with ballast resistors on them if anybody's interested in those. Because I've got a Vectra CD, I've got two Vectra CDXs with these and a spare set. Any interest? Give me a shout. Right, that Calibra seat can go up there. Anybody want cream leather Calibra seats? I know there's a big demand for them. Maybe. says random collection of gearboxes, F16 that doesn't go into gear, an F20, something which we think is a small block diesel gearbox that was in a Corsa, and something else which has got a hydraulic clutch on it. I don't even know what that is. Probably just because I've thrown it out. Not got a clue. But they're the two important ones, an F16 and an F20. Plus the Celeron Calibra seats, cream leather. Could be yours if you want them. Right, I think we've got just about enough space to put that Astra in there now. That'll be much better. What a beautiful empty space. So what we need to do is now move this into that space. Right, so if we push it forward, pull it forward, pull it again. Good grief. Easy enough to shove the Nova forward. The Astra's going to hit come across this way and then going in a bit of a diagonal. That's the front, stick on here.
We've got 50 wheels.
Drag that across. Get a wee bit there. Right, aye, now it's in full lock. Right, we'll go. Right, full lock the other way. Right, full lock the other way. Same again. Right, now basically needs to come forward a wee bit more. Right, that would there, I think. That's quite straight. Just straighten the wheels up and go straight back at that. Right, the Cavalier GSi needs to come down now, come out, get swapped over with the Nova, and then that'll do. Sorted. Tell you what, this is a solid little Nova.
Early 1983 too.
1983. Oh, you can't really see anything under here. Take my word for it, it's solid. And it's going to get an engine put in it. It's only been sitting for nearly 10 years. You are in long-term project corner now. Mint it. Right, I'll get the GSi in. Okay, so that's us had a bit of a tidy up of the unit and reorganised things. The Astra GSi is in long-term project corner because it's got a fair amount of stuff to do, but Ken's made a lot of progress with it. But now that Nova's out the corner and up on the ramps, we can put that 1.6 multi-point injection engine in it and actually get it so it moves about and get it built up a bit more rather than just sitting there full of parts. And now that this is back in off the ramps, I can do a couple of bits on that as well, so great success. You've just went and leaned in my romantic love heart there, look.
Sorry, it takes.
Straight away bridge. Yes, I am. That's a ball, see what this weighs. Shouldn't be a lot heavy. Not a bad load of scrap to get rid of. Right, back on the weighbridge.